everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in our garden and we are going to be propagating tomatoes. In fact, if you follow my channel and had seen the previous episode a few weeks back on how I pruned my tomatoes in hopes of getting another harvest this season, I'll be updating you on the progress of that. Last May, I went out and bought 9 tomato plants. I was super gung-ho on growing tomatoes, and I am happy to say I was successful in doing that. But you may be asking, well, then what are you doing? Why are you propagating more tomatoes? You need more? No. The reason why I am choosing to propagate my tomatoes is because currently I have them in our raised garden bed area, and I would love to utilize that space for other plants. So my goal is to propagate enough tomato plants that, one, I have a good success, and two, that they have their own space to grow and thrive rather than impose on any of the other plants. Unfortunately, last year when I planted my tomato plants, I didn't realize how much room they were going to take up, and they have pretty much, especially in this first bed, taken over the entire bed, which makes it really hard to grow anything else. So I am hoping to move them out of here, and by propagating them, I will also be hopefully getting more plants to harvest from. So let's gather up our material and get started. So to start things off, I've got some pots, my tomato tone, rooting hormone, raised garden bed mix, and some mulch. So it has been about a month and a half since we pruned back our tomato plants, and I wanted to give you a quick update. We definitely have a ton of green tomatoes and are finally beginning to see them starting to ripen. If you would like to see our video on pruning tomato plants, look for the link in the description below. That does it for today's video. I hope you found this content useful, and I hope you will hit that like and subscribe button, and we hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!